what sets us apart and makes us uncommonly refreshing is the atmosphere, is the approach, you know, is the owner, Keith Brubacher, being out in the field talking to people, being involved in orientation and sitting down with every new hire.
The way they treat us is different, you know what I mean? They care not just about the work, they care about you as, you know what I mean, as a person, and it's important. You got kids who want to get to know each and every one of us as individual, like, you can't beat that.
Our mission at Brubacher is shaping the world we live in. We do that in important and obvious ways with scrapers and excavators and bulldozers. More importantly, it's the impression we leave on the lives of others that really matters. Our vision is to be uncommonly refreshing in our approach to people, to projects and solutions. It's these things that make the difference.
There's a wealth of knowledge out there in the field and here in the office, and in 1 year I've learned so much, not just about the company and the history of the company, but also the industry.
It's a good company. I love working here. I really do love working here.
Our core values, safety is first and foremost, and I love that in this company.
I think it's just the way that we treat people, and whether it's around internally or externally, we treat everyone with respect. We treat everyone the way that we would want to be treated and the way that they would want to be treated.